You're scaring me. You just painted my whole ear. You're like fingering my face. So we're in lockdown. I had a hair appointment scheduled for about a week ago. That was obviously cancelled due to lockdown, which is fine. However, I already made the appointment super late. I definitely was stretching the time between appointments. So we got a little bit of regrowth. My hair extensions are so grown out that they're getting dreadlocks in the top of them. So that means that I am going to let Kane Foster do my hair. Not only my hair extensions, but also my regrowth.
And maybe a cut.
I literally never said yes to a cut. This morning, Kane's like, I could totally cut your hair if you want a little trim too. And I was like, I can probably pass on that one. But someone's got a lot of confidence over here.
I don't think it'll be hard.
It's also a little bit frightening because he has actually a very high level of confidence for this task and I am scared. So let me show you guys what I've picked up.
Sarah makes it seem like it's going to be really difficult, but I just don't think it is.
Hairdressers study for like 4 years and train for 4 years for nothing.
And I make YouTube videos, it'll be easy.
Oh my god. Oh, I just exposed my whole address on that. I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to blur that out. I went online and I picked up some supplies. I was messaging my hairdresser on Instagram and asking her if she thinks I can do this myself, what she thinks I need. I feel like she was scared because she was giving me a little bit like half answers that were not super encouraging. I have some developer. Oh, I have some dye, but it just fell out of the box. She said that I am a 5 on my roots, so hopefully that's correct. But I'm doing it as a demi, which is like not as permanent, so hopefully it doesn't matter too much. And then for my hair extensions, I went onto this website called, it's a hair extension brand. What is it called? Zala. I ordered a pack of tapes, which I think are the right size, and then this tape solvent. I think that it like helps you take your hair extensions out. Normally when I go get this done at the hair salon, she takes about 3 hours to do the whole process. So let's add on an hour for every single year that they train. I'm gonna say that this is gonna take us like 7 hours, okay?
I think it'll take 3.
You think you can do it at the exact same speed? Oh my god, it's too much confidence at this point where it's actually a little bit scary. He's literally just sitting here texting and I cannot. There's also a plot twist. And that is that we are so bored we decided to make pina coladas today.
Because when you're concerned about your best friend doing your hair, get him drunk.
That's very close to the edge. There's a little bit of spillage. It's not my best.
That's strong.
It's very strong. Is it a truth or dream? Or is Kane about to dye my hair? Or a little bit of both?
Oh, best friends dying together.
Oh. Part 1. Kane taking out my hair extensions. And I'm pretty sure that all we need is these 2 things. You just spray this onto my hair extensions and then it takes like a little bit to start working, but then you like stab into the hair extension and then you can like...
Question, will the hair start falling out?
Start falling out from where?
There's not gonna be like strands falling out.
Why the f would there be hair strands falling out? And if there is, I don't want to do this.
Oh, like they're sewn in, so like I don't have, oh, that's easy, yeah, no.
Literally nothing is sewn in. No. Stand by while I explain to Kane hair extensions. So this is the hair extension, 2 hairs. When we retape them, there'll be a piece of tape here and a piece of tape here.
Easy.
I'm scared. I'm actually scared. You're scaring me.
No, I just had questions.
Why are we doing this?
First things first, adhesive.
The thing is, I don't even really know how to do this, and if you're a hairdresser watching this video, specifically if you're my hairdresser watching this video, please just click out.
First things first, what I need to do in this process is take an image of where every extension is so I don't f it up when I put it back in. How many do you have?
10.
Does that mean 5 because they're halves, or is that 10 doubles?
10 sandwiches. Are you using my ears as shelves? What are you doing?
I need it there so I can take a good photo. Just needed to check where they're kind of mounted to a head because it's kind of close to the top of the ear if it hadn't grown out. So that's just where I need to place them.
Just watched Kane's clip and I did not realize that my regrowth was that bad.
Just need another drink.
He's gonna be drunk before we even begin.
I'm just gonna like bang out all the others all at once.
Maybe we should have watched a video on how to remove tape extensions before you just started removing them.
Here we go! 1/2 done. I had a dream about you last night.
Hair extensions are out.
silly. You've got half of it up in your head, pal.
Oh yeah.
It took me an hour and a half to take it out.
It would have been quicker if you weren't buzzed.
Yeah, definitely. I feel like we were just like talking shit the whole time. So in terms of public sex, what would be the extent of where you'd go?
Honestly, that's pretty good. I feel like I almost can't be bothered to put them back in.
Don't put them in, pal. This is me just trying
He's like, I want to make my job easier. Hold on, I need to look in the mirror. I feel like it looks exactly the same as it did with the hair extensions in. I feel like the hair extensions just make the ends look so much healthier. I feel like it looks the same. That is insane. Why does it make the hair extensions look orange when they're against your skin tone? Sarah's always so concerned about losing all of her hair, and this is the amount that she lost. It's probably about 20 strands, which ain't bad. You lose 100 per day, and this is about 20. That's
so
more than 20.
No, it's not. Your hair's so long, pal.
Not me looking at my hair in every single mirror just to see. My hair has gotten so much healthier since last year, the start of last year in March. Guys, I'll put a picture on the screen. That is what my hair used to look like. It was like so short and super thin. Eventually, I want to get all of my hair to like this length and then just like chop the ends off so it's like really blunt cut.
I can do that.
No, you absolutely cannot, and I will not allow that. Kane was saying the whole entire time, I'm pretty buzzed, which made me have zero confidence. He was just taking out my hair extensions. Now he's got a diet.
Am I that basic girl that just talks about how drunk they are all the time?
Yeah, you are. I feel like the real test is if I put my hair up in one of these clips, how thin it looks. Because you kind of have to put like half of your hair up. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I kind of feel like that is how thick my hair looks all the time. This almost feels like a waste of time if I do put the hair extensions in, but I also kind of want to challenge Kane and see if he can do it. Okay, I'm gonna call my best friend and see what she says. I want to see if she thinks I should put them back in. Oh wait, my boyfriend is home. Hey babe, can you come here? I think my hair looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
It looks identical, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Except I don't have all of those hair extensions in.
I always told you, there's no need for hair extensions anymore.
Okay. Hey. I just took all of my hair extensions out.
Can't notice at all.
No, it looks exactly the same, doesn't it? Love you.
Love you, bye-bye.
Bye. So I think I'm just not gonna put them back in. I really feel like as much as I now have a little bit more faith because I'm buzzed in Kane's ability, it would just take a really long time, and we got something on the Olympics that we want to watch at 4 o'clock and it's already 1 o'clock and I feel like we're gonna miss it already. It's an Australian diver. Diving is my favorite Olympic sport. It's so entertaining and they're so talented. Comment down below, what's your fave? Okay, Kane, I don't think we're doing the extensions.
Yes.
Now that we have all this extra time on our hands, I think I'm gonna put out some food because I'm starving. A little bit of dip and maybe some like fruit, some crackers. I don't know if this is just like a part of any time that I have a drink or two, but I love making cheese boards. Your cheese board looks so much better if you put your dip into like a little ramekin. Boys are talking about girl drama right now and it's kind of funny to listen to. Who would have thought? I didn't even realize that guys talked about girl drama until these two. Luckily I have some grapes because it's literally the only other thing that would have filled up that space. Here's the little cheese board. Kind of cute. Look at her. She's simple. Just something to eat while Kane potentially ruins my hair. Cross your fingers for me, y'all. Do you have faith? Let me know in the comments. I'm a bit nervous. Kane's just made vodka pineapple, which is interesting because he just told me that the pineapple was hurting his throat, so I don't know why he's just put only pineapple in here.
Really not the smartest person. The cheese board looks nice, so you did well.
Thanks.
Now it's time to dye with my best friend, and then I'm gonna leave these bits because you don't want me to come up.
Correct. We've just looked at the whole instruction manual for this brand of dye, which every single time it says anything about it, it says for professional use only. So that's fun.
Wow. Cool.
Where the f that's just going?
Not bad.
Does that matter?
Yeah.
We've made a mess.
I don't even have gloves on. This would be more than the normal service because you actually have like a cheese platter. Like I feel like it's pretty
cheese platter I prepared myself.
You gotta trust me with this.
This feels pretty professional.
Really? It's a delicate process.
You're like fingering my fucking face.
I don't know why she's freaking out. It's not like I'm bleaching her hair or anything. They sell hair dye at the supermarket for a reason. People only have good experiences.
I love it how Kane has just justified this whole experience by they sell hair dye at the supermarket. If there are any hairdressers watching this, they'll like literally get this guy off the screen.
What's new for you?
Just working and...
Yeah. How's your boyfriend?
He's pretty good.
Anything fun happening since we last chatted?
My friend Kane's been staying with us.
Oh really? He sounds fucking sick. He's a dumbass. He's a dumbass.
Are we starting to die?
Yeah.
It's on! Feels like we should have started at the bottom first. You just painted my whole ear.
I'm gonna start making bookings if anyone wants to get their hair done. I will.
You're gonna start making bookings? Taking them?
Oh yeah, I'll take them. I'll probably have to make some to pretend I'm busy. What's your favorite thing about me doing this?
That it's not gonna cost me anything. That's about it. Just feels like you're whacking it on right now.
So what, have you been working on anything interesting lately?
Hair salon small talk.
Yeah.
This is my least favorite part of the salon. Just working on lots of stuff.
What do you mean? Just tell me more.
I don't know what I can say.
Typical YouTuber. Like, I've got something coming out really soon, but I just can't tell you anything yet, but I'm still telling you, but I can't tell you anything. I had this girl, she came in. She was actually 17, and just picture the corned beef when you like that foam at the top. That's what it was like when I lifted up her hair and it was just knits. I went to a hairdresser one day and she told me that. Moving on to the last section, you're almost done. Would you like another wine? Like, you're nearly done.
No,
Would you
I'm
like
good.
a refill? I'll get you a refill. It's our Western Australian white classic. It's actually a really good drop. My family own the vineyard.
They own this vineyard.
Yeah, they do.
This is literally half the bottle.
Oh, you're nearly done. Would you like another glass?
No, it's all good. It feels like you're patting on the hair dye very aggressively, like it could splatter onto the blonde.
Please.
What? 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 What did you do? You can't just scrape it out. Oh my god. Quick, 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 quick. What happened? Pow!
I didn't mean it.
How much did you get done? That's what happens when you're so aggressive.
No.
Now, we just have to wait 20 minutes.
20 minutes counting down.
What are we gonna do in the meantime?
I am gonna go wash this out and I'll see you guys in a second. I just got out of the shower and I'm a little bit nervous because you know when your hair is wet and you can't tell if it looks dark or if it's just wet. That's what I'm experiencing right now. Kane has decided that he wants to blow dry my hair. Wish me luck, y'all.
I've stained your forehead.
I know, there's
There's
a
one
little
little
dot.
dot. Yeah. It looks really dark.
When it's dry, it looks light again.
How is this smoking?
Don't tell me that my hair is smoking.
Does it need to be 100% dry?
I love that the way of you checking if my hair is dry is going.
You actually happy?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
When I got out of the shower, I was like, I can't see my like front blonde pieces, and I was actually scared.
And that, my friends, is a 5-hour glow up.
Are you saying that it didn't look good before?
It
still,
did.
literally still wet in here. Wait, I have to look in the mirror. It looks pretty similar to before, except we have the clean regrowth and we also have no extensions. I can't believe I've been paying to get hair extensions and I feel like my hair has gotten thick. You did a great job, pal.
Thanks.
I'm gonna need everyone to comment down below. Let me know how you think Kane did. I actually am kind of impressed. You've done an amazing job. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and hit up Kane on Instagram because he's taking bookings.
Yeah, slide into my DMs.
Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up for Kane's skills and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!